Hello and welcome. You're watching Mint Market Movers, a show through which you can get all the trading insights that you need for the next day. This is, of course, the end of the week, a week in which the stock market saw a new record high, but it also corrected over 1% today. So, what should you watch out for in the coming week? Will the rally continue or is there a correction on cards? Well, to discuss this, we have, as always, Vaishali Parekh of Prabhudas Lilladher. Thank you so much, Vaishali, for joining us here today.
Hi, thank you for having me too. And yes, it's a pleasure.
So, first of all, what's behind the stock market's plunge today, a day after it hit record highs?
So yesterday we saw the all-time highs, and today I think it was backed by the global cues. The US data was not very favorable as far as I think the manufacturing data was concerned. And we saw Dow Jones plunging by 500 odd points the previous evening. So we also opened with a gap down, and unfortunately we have closed at the day's low. So this surely throws some concern on the stock market for now.
Well, new age stocks like Paytm and Nike are doing quite well today. Paytm has, in fact, seen a 6-month high today. So, what's your take on that?
So yes, in fact, this was going quite against the market. It showed a lot of strength, and the stock has really moved one way. And currently, it is at a near-term resistance level of 550. We did see the stock making a high of around 542. So once we see the stock moving above 550 and sustaining, I think this would call for further high target projections of 750 to 800. So, in my opinion, this is gaining a lot of strength and momentum. And I think the support now lies at around 450. So, if that is the support which is respected, one can see a good up move coming in this.
Well, the InfoX stock also near a record high. So, do you have any particular views on this stock?
So this too has shown a lot of strength, and I think this should be a hold even now because the way the stock has moved today, I think keep a trailing stop loss and continue holding it.
Also, a bunch of companies are reporting their quarterly earnings. So, are there any specific companies that you are watching out for?
Actually, we don't play results. We will wait for the stock to move, show some clarity. The results are out, but not much to say on result-based stocks.
All right. And what would you say are 5 top things that investors should watch for in the coming week?
So, of course, it has to be very disciplined trading from here on. Secondly, right now, what I'm seeing as per today's move, I think it is Pharma Pack which has outperformed. So, there are a number of pharma stocks which are doing well. The leaders, of course, being Sun Pharma, Lupin, Dr. Reddy. But currently, what I'm seeing, even Cipla shows a lot of strength. So, that would be one stock that I would be looking at. And in the cash category, it's all the Adani, Wilmer, etc. And along with that, we just discussed Paytm. So these are the stocks I think one has to follow strict discipline because market is only going to get volatile. And let's see, we need to have some clarity. And no harm booking profit and sitting on cash at this juncture.
Right. And now on to your top stock recommendations for Monday, the most awaited part of the show. You have, of course, already mentioned Cipla. Are there any others on your radar?
So there is one stock to my liking, and one is that is Shivam Autotech, which I am recommending because it has given a very good up move and it is sustaining well above the breakout levels. The breakout levels come at around 49.50, and today we saw a decent close of 54.55. So this is one stock to my liking. I would suggest a buy in decline near the support levels, which makes it a favorable risk reward ratio. And if the trend is intact, this can go towards 65-70 levels.
All right, well, Vaishali, thank you so much for joining us here today.
Pleasure.